Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. AES, Advanced Encryption Standard, is a symmetric encryption algorithm widely used across various applications for securing data. It operates on fixed block sizes, 128 bits, and supports key sizes of 128, 192, or 256 bits. In this tutorial, we will cover 1. Basic concepts of AES encryption. 2. How to implement AES encryption in Python using the pycryptodome library. 3. Example of encrypting and decrypting a message. ### prerequisites. Make sure you have Python installed on your machine. You will also need to install the pycryptodome library if you haven't already. You can install it using pip. ### Basic concepts of AES encryption. Symmetric encryption, the same key is used for both encryption and decryption. Block size, AES encrypts data in blocks of 128 bits, 16 bytes. Key sizes, AES supports key lengths of 128, 192, and 256 bits. ### AES encryption example in Python. Here's a step-by-step example of how to use AES encryption in Python. ### Step 1, import required libraries. ### Step 2, define functions for encryption and decryption. ### Step 3, use the functions. ### Explanation of the code. 1. Key generation, we use get_random_bytes, 16, to generate a 128-bit key. For 192-bit and 256-bit keys, you can use 24 or 32 bytes respectively. 2. Padding, the pad function is used to ensure that the plain text length is a multiple of the block size. The unpad function is used to remove the padding after decryption. 3. Initialization vector, 4, in CBC mode, and 4 is used to ensure that the same plain text encrypted with the same key will yield different cipher texts. The 4 is randomly generated for each encryption and prep-ended to the cipher text. 4. Base 64 encoding, the cipher text and 4 are combined and encoded in base 64 to make it easy to handle as a string. ### Security considerations. Always use a secure key management practice. Do not hard-code keys in your application. Use proper padding and for management to enhance security. Make sure to use a strong key length, at least 128 bits. ### Conclusion. In this tutorial, we covered the basics of AES encryption and implemented a simple example in Python. This should give you a solid foundation to start using AES in your own applications. Always ensure to follow best practices for security when handling sensitive data.